What do you mean you weren't even there? I saw you, and I know you saw me. No, I'm pretty sure that was you. Then who else could it have possibly been? Nobody looks like you or walks like you, or even talks like you. You do not have a twin. Then what's his name? Oh, I'm sorry. What's her name? Claricia is not a real name. Stop lying. Yes, you are lying. Okay, then if Claricia does exist, why don't you call her? Of course she doesn't have a phone. No! Don't tell me to calm down. I don't want to calm down. I'm sick of you always coming at me with your lies. They're getting even more annoying every time you do it. Really? You want to be like that? No. I am not overreacting. You are just making my life difficult. You know what? Leave. Why don't you take all of your stuff and go? And while you're at it, why don't you just call Claricia and ask her to help? Who's at the door? You must be Claricia. I have to ask, what is going on with your name? What do you mean, what do I mean? Anyways, your twin tells me that I saw you at the store and not him. Is that true? Alright, thanks. That's all I needed to know. This guy over here was being difficult and didn't want to give me any answers. No, you didn't. No. No. You know what? I'm leaving. Bye.